What's up, BuySmart fam? Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of gadgets and gizmos to help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than your grandma's apple pie fresh out of the oven. On the left, we have the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo, or as I like to call it, the Neo. And on the right, we have the Sovol SV06, aka the Sovol. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's kick things off with the price. The Neo is coming in hot at $199. It's like a budget-friendly hero swooping in to save your wallet. Meanwhile, the Sovol is flexing its muscles at $249. So if you've got a few extra bucks lying around, you might want to consider the Sovol. But hey, who doesn't love saving money? Reviewers appreciate the Neo for its affordability, making it a great entry-level option. Next up, assembly. The Neo boasts a super easy 3-step assembly process. It's like IKEA furniture, but without the existential crisis. On the other hand, the Sovol claims to be a modular masterpiece with a 5-step assembly that's as easy as pie. Most reviewers found both printers easy to set up, but a few noted that the Neo's fewer steps made it slightly more convenient. Now, let's talk bed leveling. The Neo has a 16-point CR touch auto bed leveling system. It's like having a personal butler who makes sure everything is just right. The Sovol, not to be outdone, comes with a 25-point auto leveling system. That's right, 25 points. It's like Sovol hired an entire team of butlers. Reviewers found the Sovol's bed leveling feature to be highly reliable, often mentioning its precision. Moving on to the build plate. The Neo sports a PC spring steel magnetic build plate that's as sticky as your little brother's fingers after a candy binge. The Sovol, however, has a flexible PEI-coated build plate. It's like magic. Just flex and off pops your print. Reviewers love the convenience of Sovol's build plate for easy print removal. Extruders and Hotends, folks. The Neo has a full metal extruder, which sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Durable and powerful, just like your morning coffee. The Sovol brings in the big guns with an all-metal direct drive extruder and a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp printing capability. That's right, 300 degrees Celsius. It's basically a mini volcano. Reviews highlight Sovol's impressive high-temp printing capabilities and reliability. User interface and silent printing are next. The Neo flaunts a brand new 4.3-inch UI with model preview and supports 9 languages. It's like a mini United Nations meeting on your printer. Plus, it has a silent motherboard for those who like to print in peace. The Sovol, with its self-developed 32-bit silent board and TMC 2209 drivers, is no slouch either. However, reviewers rave about the Neo's intuitive interface and quiet operation. Last but not least, customer service. The Sovol promises a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. They even have a hotline where you can cry about your printing woes. Neo, what do you have? Well, Neo's got a solid reputation, but Sovol's got the hotline bling. Reviews are mixed here, with some praising Sovol's support while others had issues. Neo's customer service gets a nod for reliability. Summarizing the reviews, the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo is praised for its affordability, ease of assembly, and quiet operation, making it a fantastic entry-level option. On the other hand, the Sovol SV06 receives accolades for its high-temp printing capabilities, reliable bed leveling, and overall performance, though it has some mixed reviews regarding customer service. Both printers have their unique strengths and are well regarded in the 3D printing community. So there you have it, folks. The Neo and the Sovol, both are fantastic 3D printers with their own unique strength. If you're balling on a budget and want something easy to set up, go with Neo. But if you're looking for high-temp printing and stellar customer service, Sovol's your guy. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buys. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay savvy, buy smart fam.